If you like what you saw here, please click the subscribe. If you like what you saw here, what? Oh my gosh. If you like what you saw here, what? God. I just can't. I can't. Hello everyone, this is the Pastry Warden.
And this is the Pastry Warden Jr.
And today we are making churros!
A churro is a fried pastry dough that originated in Spain and Portugal.
There are many variations in shaping this thin, fried, delicious snack, and we're going to show you a few today.
Let's go!
The first thing we're going to do is bring the butter, vanilla, water, brown sugar, and salt to a bowl over high heat.
Once the butter is fully melted, turn off the heat and add the sifted flour.
Whisk to combine as quickly as possible because we want to prevent any lumps from forming. I'm going to switch to a rubber spatula here and cook the dough over medium heat for exactly 1 minute.
Place the mixture into a mixing bowl fitted with a paddle attachment and mix on low speed.
This step is to cool down the dough and release moisture through steam before adding the eggs. We don't want scrambled eggs, you know.
While you wait, do your churro dance.
What is that? Add the eggs a little at a time, only adding until the previous addition has been fully mixed in.
Your dough should be smooth and thick like this.
Add the dough into a piping bag fitted with a star tip.
We decided to make a circular shaped churro that we can pull from and eat. So I'm drawing a template as a guide.
Once the churros are piped, place them in the freezer for 45 minutes. The rest will be cooked in the traditional way. What are you doing?
My dance, boy.
Oh my gosh.
We can't eat these churros alone, so we decided to make a bittersweet chocolate sauce.
To make the chocolate sauce, bring the cream to a boil.
What is he doing?
I'm good.
Get a load of this guy.
Turn off the heat, add the chopped chocolate, and mix well. To give this chocolate sauce a bit more flavor, I'm adding some smoked chipotle sea salt. Make it real smoky. Yeah.
Smokey the Bear.
That's right.
That tastes good.
To make this experience a bit more special, we decided to make churro bags. If you want to learn how to make them, just follow the video. Before we start frying, we're going to prep our cinnamon and sugar. For the circular churro, I'm making a rose-flavored sugar. This looks and smells amazing.
For the traditional fried churros, I'm carefully piping the dough into the hot oil while cutting.
Once the dough is golden brown and crispy, place on a paper towel to catch any excess oil, and then coat with cinnamon and sugar.
Place the churro sticks in your prepared churro bag. Repeat this process for the rest of the churros. And that's about it.
I'm so excited, aren't you?
Oh, yeah! It's about to taste so good.
Those crispy churro sticks. Here go the big boy.
That's gonna taste so good.
Yeah.
So crispy.
Alright, my son is not country, y'all. He's not country. He's a sound.
I'm a Texan.
You're a Texan? Okay, wait. You're born in Texas, but okay. That rose flavored sugar,
Yeah.
that looks amazing.
My mouth is watering with the golden flakes. Okay, guys. We have the end result. I didn't even know my dad had this, the golden flakes.
We're gonna have some ice cold milk with this.
Whole milk.
Whole milk, because we already have the chocolate sauce, so.
Yeah. It's gonna be a sweet combination
All
of
right.
chocolate, sugar, and the beautiful churros.
It's like little French fries, but sweet. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna taste this first, and then I'm going to taste the chocolate. How about you?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
So good.
And these been sitting out for a little while, but it's still crunchy. The bitterness of that chocolate sauce helps a lot. Tame the sweetness of the cinnamon sugar.
I have to get another one.
Of course. But I can eat a whole bag of these.
Yeah, these are delicious.
All right, so this is what I'm excited about right here.
But first, wait. Can we drink some milk?
You can drink some milk. I'm gonna eat me some churros. There you go. Cheers. Cheers to churros. Peel this off.
I'm going to have to get the golden.
There's a little rose flavor to it. I got a little gold on mine. Let me dip my gold into my chocolate. I'm full. How about you? No? Not
I
yet?
can go on for days.
You can go on for days.
I have to agree. The milk just washes down all that sweetness.
I'm done.
You want some more water?
I'm tapping out. Why do you have
Yeah.
a milk mustache? I swear. If you like what you saw here today, please hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, like, and share. Thank you very much. This is the Pastry Warden and Goofy signing out.